ಮಧುಬನ ಇಸಿಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ನ ಎನ್ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಘಟಕಗಳ ಜಂಟಿ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟ ಪಡುಕೆರೆ ಕಡಲ ತಡಿಯುದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕಡಲ ತಡಿ ಎಂಬ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಜನತಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಮಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಯಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಸವಳಸಾಂಗ್, ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾದ ಮೀರ್ ತಾಜಾದಾರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಪಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾ ಎಸ್, ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಲೀಸಾ ಲಿಯೋ, ಎನ್ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಯೋಜನಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಜೋಗಿ, ಎನ್ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಸಹ ಯೋಜನಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ನಿಧಿ, ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಘಟಕದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ, ನೇಚರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಸಂಯೋಜಕಿ ಸುಷ್ಮಾ, ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಹಿದಾ ಜಹಾನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಿತಾ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
ಪಾತಾಳದಿಂದಾಚೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಚರಣ, ಭೂಮಂಡಲದಿಂದಾಚೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮುಕುಟ, ಬೃಹತ್ತು ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಪದೆಸಲು ನಿನಗೆ, ನೇಸರನ ಹೊಂಗಿರಣ ಮೂಡುವ ಮುನ್ನ, ಸುಳಿಯುವ ತಂಗಾಳಿ ಸೂಸುವ ಮುನ್ನ ಉತ್ತರಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
So we are creating an awareness program of protecting the. Good day to everybody. Today we are conducting plastic free program. We know that today the environment.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Why should not I motivate young students like? According to me, everyone must involve in one or the other social activities. Maybe, like I think you are from the nursing college, maybe wherever you are comfortable, maybe in the health, maybe cultural, anywhere. It teaches a lot of lessons. It increases the happiness in the life. It increases the confidence. Anyway, all of you know about all these matters. I don't want to tell more about today's cleanliness today's program. But one thing I want to make sure that like everyone should know, after we collecting all this, maybe plastic, paper, and HDP and bottles, maybe glass or HDP barrel, where it will be, how it will be discarded, where it will be recycled. Everyone must know, because this is because I think 2 days back my Ravi told me that one more institution also came and cleaned the beaches, but it is not must. Like it is you are coming also here, because there are a lot of other places also there. Because what I want to say for young students, the cleanliness should be there. It should be a passion. It should not be a one-day job. Today you are coming here, after that again throwing. It will not end. Because according to me, to bring the changes, we are protecting and we are maintaining the cleanliness of this Mother Earth. So yesterday I was seen one WhatsApp message, expecting any changes without putting any effort is like waiting for the ship in the airport. Yes. Because to bring any changes, we should put effort. What effort we should put? See, about the cleanliness, we must, in your college only, you can introduce the dustbins, and whatever the plastic, whatever the wastages are there we should keep it. If the dustbin we are not able to find it, till we are able to throw, till we find the dustbin, we should keep it in our pocket, and then we should make it habit. One thing I want to say, the cleanliness should be it should be our passion. It should not be it is not a one-day job. Anyway, because I know that you need to go back fast, as soon as possible. I just want to say let us unite for maintain the cleanliness of this earth. Let us unite, let us plant more and more plants and increase the beauty of this nature, this Mother Earth. Let us add more and more water, let us harvest more and more water and add back to the Mother Earth and increase the fertility and the energy of this Mother Earth. All of you are very special for this Mother Earth. Thank you very much for participating this noble cause. Good luck.